Almost a week ago, my brother Kai and I landed in Okinawa, Japan, and the first thing we did was rent a car and invite a couple of strangers to go around and explore the island with us. One of the main goals of the day was to find this waterfall, which looks beautiful, but the problem was it was closed due to landslides. So today, we went to reconquer the waterfall, and the first thing we did was find another couple of random strangers to come along the way. Today, it was Linda and Maya joining us on our mini adventure. There is no place that I would rather be.
Stop number one of our second time attempting the waterfall trip.
Konbini burger sitting there is kind of crazy.
I don't know how I feel about it.
Kai's definitely the type of guy to get a konbini egg muffin. Kai the type of guy to do that, is sure.
Nutrient, bro.
I'm like actually stoked. This is my favorite thing in Japan. Anybody fancy a banana?
Make a shake, Kai. Shake your booty. I'm waiting. I got no notes. I'm all coins.
Full of ones.
Full of ones. It's pretty much all ones.
This is a one.
I got like
When's a one?
I got like 98 yen all in ones.
It's either one or it's none.
It's none or it's one.
Your first or your last?
It's at least one, maybe none. But probably one at least.
It is self-responsibility.
Welcome guys, welcome to our YouTube channel.
What the hell?
Fucking taking over already.
Instantly.
I mean you promised me to be famous, so I'm here for it now.
Well, we've actually got a famous YouTuber here, Maya. She's got
14 million views.
viral sensation. We'll roll the clip.
I'm going to give you a tour and review of our generation kitchen.
That was actually crazy, Linda. Go figure. That was better, Linda. Better. We lost one. She died a little bit ago. We left her behind. Oh.
That's not nice. Oh my god!
I'm getting coming on the top tier. Alright. Don't fuck this up because we might lose it. Sitting in a waterfall, yeah, we chillin'. Sitting in a waterfall, I look like a villain.
Can't stand the fact that I would just be happy as a frog on a log. What do you think?
My feet.
What do you think? It was amazing. That was actually like the best day. It was so cool. Nature is wonderful. Wunderbar. Is that what you say? No, that's German.
That's German, but
What do you say?
prachtig.
Thanks, Linda and Maya. It's been freaking sick. It's so cool to like meet someone. I feel like fully know these people now, and we literally just met them yesterday. It's crazy.
I'm from the Netherlands, and back home we have, of course, Dora the Explorer as well. But Dora speaks in Dutch, and you're learning English along the way.
And we are back on the road. Hell yeah. Just sum up the waterfall. The waterfall, it was good and nice. It was actually the coolest thing I've been to in a very long time. So yeah, like this.
Watashi tachi ni sono o shete kureru.
You ever seen a white girl speak Japanese before? So can you understand any of that?
I Google translated and it said souls of the dead. I was like, yo.
What?
Yeah.
That's actually really beautiful. Roof is dead. This is just someone's house. Arigatou gozaimasu. Gohan miso. Any final words for the video or for anyone?
These guys are so sweet. We had a great day. You should follow them and watch all their videos.
Thanks.
No, this is unreal day. No, we're loved it. Rain.
Thanks
Back
for
to
coming
the
on the journey.
rain. They're leaving us in the middle of nowhere. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa, whoa.
Alright. It's not like that. See ya. See ya. It was lovely hanging out, Mania.
This is really sad.
Yeah.
The rest of your trip. I can't wait.
You too.
Enjoy. Hear about it all. Follow each other, right?
Done. So that just about wraps up our video. We just dropped the girls off and we're now going into our accommodation at Okinawa. And look at this place. Our accommodation is literally this house just across the road. And yeah, we're right on the beach. There's islands behind us. This place is just unreal. And it's raining, so let's go. Until next time.